So we're gonna test out in probably the most extreme setting that you could be, right? In the middle of a hurricane. So I'm testing out the mics on the DJI Osmo Action 5 and the GoPro Hero 13. I'm also testing out the night mode to see just how good the night mode is. So the Osmo Action 5 has a night mode, and this one does not, the GoPro. So I'm really interested to see how this works. We are in the middle of Hurricane Milton. We're getting about 71 mile an hour gusts. I'm center of the state, so not that dangerous, but it is definitely windy out here. If you have a question, I'm gonna show you, just shine the light up there. I don't know if you can see that, but I mean, we're getting some pretty, I think our strongest was 71 mile an hour. So we're getting some pretty good gusts. So we're literally testing live as we do this, because I've not used these cameras. So this is the first time using the Osmo Action 5. Now I have used the GoPro 13, but I've not used it in a hurricane, let alone in the middle of the night. So let's go ahead, let's go to the backyard and let's see what's happened back there. So another thing we're gonna test is like, how good is the microphone? Because I wanna know, is this microphone good? Can it stand up to me walking away from the camera in the middle of a windstorm? It says it has a wind reduction mode, and I'm really interested to see if that actually works. So I don't know, I look pretty dark in the GoPro footage, but it looks like in the Osmo, I look like bright as can be. So I'm really interested. Both cameras are set at almost the exact same setting. They're both 15 and 16 millimeter respectively. That's the closest I could get them. And then they're set at 30 frames a second, both 4K. Now the GoPro does record in 5.3K, but I wanted to make them as close as they could be to each other. So let's go back here. I just want to see what my backyard looks like, right? Like I've been inside for the last couple hours, and so it looks like I've got some tree branches down over there. At least two. The trampoline's still there, which is really good. And everything else is pretty normal, except for the fact that it is blowing like crazy outside. So hopefully this is coming through. I'm at about 2 minutes of record time on each camera. And with this test, I also want to see, I have 46 gigs of internal storage on this Osmo Action. The entire video is supposed to be filmed only on that 46 gigs, because I want to know, can you get an entire video filmed from both start to finish on just that 46 gigs? Because that is really cool that it comes with built-in internal storage. So this has been a visual test and an audio test of both the Hero 13 and the Osmo Action 5. I'm going to go ahead and step away just real quick and kind of walk into the dark to see just how grainy these images get. And the farther I get away, they should get darker and darker, and we'll stop here. So the left one, she says, is stupid. The right one's got great video. So the Osmo Action 5, I think it's one. GoPro, I'm sorry, I think you lose with night video.